Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 19th of September, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 19th of September, 2025, our system has ranked Trump Media and Technology Group as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.85. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock is currently positioned in the middle of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decline within this trend is expected. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of nearly 8% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between negative 18% and negative less than 1%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of nearly 30% decline. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a total loss to nearly 51% gain over the next year. To put this in current terms, the anticipated future price may range from $0 to $26.29. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Trump Media and Technology Group Corp. Stock upgraded from sell candidate to buy candidate after the Friday trading session. The stock price of Trump Media and Technology Group Corp. Increased by 3.01% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 19th of September, 2025. It rose from $16.93 to $17.44. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.43%, with a low of $16.94 and a high of $17.69. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 4.56% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day, along with the price, a positive technical sign, with a total of 8 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 16 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $275.84 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $54.68, while the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price is 68.11%, or $37.24, below the 52-week high, and 78.03%, or $61.94, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $79.38. Trump Media is advancing beyond traditional social media by filing for and supporting 5 America First exchange-traded funds, while also closing deals in the cryptocurrency space that link its balance sheet to Kronos tokens. The company has announced a partnership with a special purpose acquisition company and introduced a new digital asset treasury vehicle in collaboration with Crypto.com and Yorkville. Additionally, they have completed a purchase agreement that involves an exchange of cash and stock for CRO tokens. In the short term, these developments are likely to boost momentum and trading volume. We should anticipate increased volatility as investors factor in potential fee revenue from the launch of these exchange-traded funds, along with immediate fluctuations stemming from market reactions to crypto holdings and any share issuance associated with these deals. There is a possibility that dilution or cash outflows to finance cryptocurrency purchases could temporarily pressure the stock. Looking to the long term, successful launches of exchange-traded funds could generate recurring fee income and expand the company's presence in the fintech landscape, which would support a higher valuation if assets under management increase. However, substantial exposure to a single cryptocurrency token and regulatory scrutiny surrounding branded partisan products present heightened long-term risks and earnings volatility. Keep an eye on approvals from the Securities and Exchange Commission, asset inflows, fluctuations in cryptocurrency valuations, and any financing terms for directional insights. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Trump Media and Technology Group stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is deemed neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock displays buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between these moving averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. Should the stock experience downward corrections, there will be support from the levels at $17.16 and $17.28. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Interestingly, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. Nonetheless, there are some negative signals that may impact short-term developments. A sell signal occurred from a pivot top point on Friday, August 15, 2025. And thus far, the stock has declined by 5.73%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots. A sell signal was identified 25 days ago. Bollinger Bands. A buy signal was noted 33 days ago. Short-term moving average. A buy signal emerged 2 days ago. Long-term moving average. A buy signal also appeared 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 37 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, a buy signal was registered 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, a sell signal, was recorded 154 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 149 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $17.40. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock typically trades at a healthy volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is deemed low. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $0.75, which is approximately 4.43% between its high and low. In the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.3%. Before we delve into the potential favorable trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's briefly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may point to insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of November, 2025. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $18.12. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $17.40. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group, based on various analyst sources, is categorized as sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of September, 2024, Glabe Scott made an insider sale of 30,016 shares of common stock with a par value of $1/10,000 per share. On the 29th of August, 2025, Sweeter Eric conducted an insider sale of 5,000 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 22nd of August, 2025, Holding George Edward Bell made an insider purchase of 23,105 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the same day, Bernhardt David Longley also conducted an insider purchase of 23,105 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 3rd of March, 2025, Holding George Edward Bell made an insider purchase of 0 shares. Analyzing the most recent 87 insider trades, we have determined that insider power is positive, reflected in a ratio of 18.461. In total, insiders acquired 227,045,725 shares and sold 116,080,826 shares over the last 87 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $16.66, which reflects a decrease of 4.48%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, resulting in a reduced risk profile. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 24 days ago. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are positive. Despite the stock being in a downward trend, we believe that the current level presents a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell recommendation to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, September 22nd, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open lower by approximately 8 cents and start trading at $17.36. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.